If you're posting on YouTube, spending hours editing, uploading consistently, but your videos get 10 views, 5 views, sometimes 0 views, then listen carefully, because in 2026, the biggest reason why small creators fail on YouTube is not the algorithm, not the niche, and not even the competition. It's something more simpler. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact fix that can change your channel's growth. Even if you have no view, no subscriber right now. This is the 2026 growth strategy that small creators must understand. And if you apply it correctly, your channel will eventually grow. This is guaranteed. If you are new here, my name is Kelvin. And on this channel, I help small creators grow faster on YouTube. Not with random tips, not with fake hacks, but with real strategies that actually work for small creators. Because the truth is this: most advice online is designed for big creators. But if you have 0 subscriber or less than 1,000 subscriber, you need a different strategy. And today I'm going to break down what I call YouTube 2026 Fix, a growth system built around 4 powerful ideas: long-term strategy, niche clarity, high-value content, audience connection. If you understand these 4 things, your channel will stop feeling stuck. Now let's go to the very first part of this video: the problem small creators usually face. Let me describe a situation that might sound familiar. You start a YouTube channel, you feel motivated, you post your first video, then another one, then another one. But something strange happens. The views don't come. Your video get 10 views, 12 views, 20 views, at times 30 views. And after weeks or months, nothing eventually changes. That's where many creators start thinking, maybe the algorithm doesn't like me, or maybe my niche is too competitive, or even worse, maybe YouTube is just luck. But here is the truth most people don't realize: YouTube growth is rarely about luck. It is about strategy. And most creators unknowingly fall into the 3 most dangerous traps. Trap number 1: posting random contents. One video about this, another video about something else. No clear focus. Trap number 2: chasing trends instead of building value. Trends can bring temporary views, but they rarely build loyal audience. Trap number 3: thinking the algorithm is the enemy. The algorithm is not your enemy. It's actually trying to find the right audience for your content. But if your content isn't clear about who it's for, the algorithm gets confused. And confused videos don't get recommended. Now let's talk about the 2026 fix. This is the real strategy you need to implement as a small creator in this 2026 for you to stand out and for your channel to grow fast. What actually works in 2026? Let's break down the real strategy step by step. Step number 1: choose a clear niche. One of the fastest ways to stay stuck on YouTube is trying to talk to everybody. If your channel is about motivation today, gaming tomorrow, business next week, YouTube has no idea on whom to recommend your videos to. But if your channel focuses on one clear problem, something powerful happens. The algorithm begins to understand your content. For example, this channel focuses on helping small creators grow fast on YouTube. So every video strengthens their identity. The clearer your niche is, the easier it becomes for YouTube to recommend you. Step 2: focus on search plus curiosity titles. Small channels should never rely on virality. Instead, they should focus on creating search-based content and curiosity-driven titles. For example, instead of a title like "Tips for YouTube Growth," use something like "Why Your YouTube Videos Get No View 2026 Fix." This title works because they answer the real question people are searching for. And once your videos start getting search traffic, the algorithm begins to test it to more viewers. Step 3. Improve one thing on every upload. A mistake most creators do is they try to improve everything at once. Better camera, better editing, better script. But growth happens faster when you focus on one improvement per video. For example, one video you improve the hook, the other video you improve the retention, and the next video you improve the storytelling. Over time, those small improvements compound, and suddenly your videos start performing much better. Step 4. Build audience connection. This is the most underrated growth factor on YouTube right now. People don't subscribe because your video was good. They subscribe because they feel connected to you. That connection happens when you speak directly to the person's problem. You show that you understand their struggles, and you create content that genuinely helps them. When viewers feel understood, they come back. And returning viewers are one of the most strongest signals for YouTube growth. Now let's talk about the biggest realization. This is the key moment of this video. Pay attention. Here is the biggest mindset shift every creator must understand. YouTube growth is not about beating the algorithm. It's about serving the audience. If your video consistently helps people, teach something useful, solve real problems, and growth becomes inevitable. It might take time. It might take 10 videos. It might take 50. It might even take 100 videos plus. But eventually, the algorithm will notice one thing. People are watching your content. And when this happens, your videos start getting recommended more and more. That's when growth starts accelerating. So if your channel currently has no view, no subscriber, no momentum yet, don't panic. Just remember the 2026 fix. Choose a clear niche. Make searchable and curiosity-driven titles. Improve something every video. Build real audience connection. Do this consistently, and your channel will never stay small forever. Growth becomes a matter of time and consistency. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you currently struggling with no view on YouTube? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want more video that will help you grow faster as a creator, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Because on this channel, we focus on real strategies that help creators win on YouTube. I will see you on my next video.